What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of FBA Unlimited. My name is Jordan Johnson. I'm a full-time seven-figure Amazon seller based in Denver, Colorado. And for today's video, what we're going to be covering is the importance of cashback and how to use cashback to increase the profits of your Amazon FBA business. So this year alone, my business will generate about $30,000 just from cashback methods and cashback sites. So you can see in 1 year how this can really increase your profit line and also allow you to purchase products cheaper than your competitors. So today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you exactly how I do that, how I generate the cashback. All of the companies and the credit cards that I use to do so are listed down below in the description. So I do ask, if you find this video valuable and you learn something from it and end up signing up with these companies, please use the links below. It's completely free for you to do so and also helps out my business a bunch and allows me to creating these videos. So to begin with, we're going to look at the two ways which I actually get cashback for my business. One is through actual cashback companies, and secondly is through the credit cards that I use. So starting with the cashback companies, these are companies that will pay you for purchasing on certain sites and normally have a lot of deals and other ways to incentivize you to purchase. So to show you, we're going to jump into my computer screen and I'm going to show you exactly what I look for in a cashback company and how it works. So I've loaded up here Rakuten, which is one of the companies that I use. I only use two companies. I only use Rakuten and Top Cashback. There are a lot of different companies out there. However, these two are the industry leaders and it makes it a lot easier for me to track my cashback and make sure it's being paid appropriately. So once you become a member on Rakuten, you can load up to this homepage. You can see my cashback here, which is currently for this year. Which is quite high at 14,000. And if you scroll down, you can see the different offers which they currently have. So if you're new to cashback, it's a really weird concept. It definitely was when I first started. But pretty much if you purchase from any of these stores via their link, they will pay you a certain percentage cashback of the total purchasing price. So in these examples, you can see this is really, really high with 10% cashback. So imagine if you're purchasing a larger items to resell on Amazon, this can really help you drive down the cost of your products, which will increase your profit. So normally what I do when I'm starting to source is I'll always come onto these sites and see who's doing cashback deals. Another way you can also do a good comparison is through sites such as Cashback Monitor. What they do is they list every single retail site or the most popular ones, and then allow you to compare who currently offers the best rate of cashback. So for example, if we click on Target, we can see who has the best cashback rates, and then from there you can pick who you want to go with. As I said, I only do use Rakuten Top Cashback. There are a load more different cashback providers, but I would say use them at your own caution. Some are not as legitimate as others. And the last thing is, you don't want to be missing out on cashback. It's better to get a guaranteed cashback than a rate that's way too high and is probably not going to pay out. Okay, so as I said, because I'm using these two, the Top Cashback and Rakuten, I don't normally go on the sites such as Cashback Monitor anymore, but I use the plugins that come with the company. So I have both Rakuten at the top here and Top Cashback. So whenever I'm popping up on any of my suppliers' sites, it will automatically tell me their cashback rate and I'll be able to compare who has the most competitive offer. So in this case, you can see Rakuten is offering 1% and Top Cashback is offering 2%. One really important thing to note is you need to really go through the terms of the cashback and make sure what is eligible. For example, you can see here with the Top Cashback, there are exclusions for these items. So when you're purchasing, you need to make sure that your item doesn't fall into that category so you get paid correctly. So to make a cashback purchase on a site, I would just activate the cashback, which would link me through their affiliate program. And then it will bring me back to the page. I complete the transaction and then it will log in my Top Cashback account. Top Cashback normally pays roughly 30 days after the purchase, and then Rakuten will pay every quarter. So it does take a little bit longer, and that's something to remember. Just to show you guys real quick, if I go on to Rakuten and then on to the cashback of purchases, you can see some of the recent purchases I've done and the cashback that will be provided. from those purchases. So it's a really good way for you to track and keep on top of it. So as I said, if you're using those two, you can really start to generate a lot of money, especially if you're doing a lot of transactions. It can really build up over time, and it's a nice paycheck that comes in for your business. So the other way which I generate cash back for my business is through credit cards. As for everything, please do your own research on this. I'm going to show you the credit card which I use and the one that I recommend, but it may not suit your business and it may not be the one for you. So the card that I use is the Capital One Cash Plus. So as you can see straight off the bat, the Capital One card has 2% cash back on everything. So everything I'm buying, I'm getting 2% back. And it also doesn't have a spending limit. So this allows me to really purchase during those Black Friday sales, those times when the online arbitrage is really busy. I can max out this credit card and then buy it off later. Obviously, do this at your own risk. You want to make sure you can make your payments, but it's something that is really nice flexibility. So as I said, with this, definitely do your own research on this, but this card, I did a lot of looking around. This was the best in terms of cashback for my business and my spending patterns, and it allows me to really rack up the points and earn more money back for my business. All right, guys, so that is everything for today. So if you do have any other ways which you're using cashback to earn money for your business, please let me know. I do know some people that use gift cards and other methods to earn just that little bit better margin for their business. I don't really use that because I had a bad experience with it. But if it's working for you, please let me know. It'd be quite interesting to find out what you guys are doing. If you did find this video useful, please don't hesitate to like the video and smash that subscribe button. It really helps me out and allows me to keep producing these Amazon videos for you guys. All right, guys, until next time, thanks for watching.